Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing a Valentine's Eye makeup tutorial for you all. The goal is to create a dark but natural eye look that won't make your eyes look too heavy and not too dramatic. Let's get started. I'll be using this Oak Lawn matte eyeshadow palette. I got this online from B&H Cosmetics. So I'll start off using this brown shade called Divine. I'll start by applying the brown on the crease of my eyelid and then apply more to the end of my eye. Next, I'll be using Shortcut on the Run palette from Urban Decay. I'll be using the color Rendezvous. Any burgundy or dark red color will do. Anyways, I'll overlap this color on the crease of my eyelid, just like how I did earlier for the brown eyeshadow. Looks kinda weird. I'll take this blending brush and blend both the brown and burgundy color together for a more natural look. Next, I'll apply the same burgundy color on the crease of my eye again, so my eyelid crease stands out. Time to shine my eyelid with this pink shimmery color called Zone from the same Urban Decay palette. I will apply this color all over below my eyelid crease. This will make your eyelid stand out even more. Plus, this color goes well for the Valentine theme. Alright, almost done. Time for the bottom eyelid. For the bottom eyelid, I will apply the brown color Divine from the matte eyeshadow palette. Then I'll apply the same burgundy color from the end of my eyelid to the middle. And don't forget to apply the shimmery pink color. Now apply mascara to the upper and lower eyelash, then curl it with an eyelash curler. Then I like to use an eyeliner marker to create a wing for my eyes. Last but not least, time to finish off this eyelid with false eyelashes. I'm using the Eye Traction False Eyelash from Morphe. I really love Morphe eyelashes. They're only $10 and definitely worth having it around. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like my videos. Bye-bye.